Welcome back to today's video, and in today's video I want to unbox this perfume. This is Highness by Gulf Orchid. This Gulf Orchid, they are a new perfume brand. It started in 2021 but have just been getting traction this 2025, and there's some perfumes that I have seen by by this brand, but for some reason I was not interested. I don't know why. I was not just interested. I'm like, another dupe house that will begin to dupe perfumes that we have smelled countless times. Like, I was already tired. I was just not interested to try out another dupe house that is duping all the perfumes that we've smelled before. Up until this one started. This one is not like it's trending. I've seen a couple of reviewers on TikTok talk about this, and that is what got my attention. This is said to be an inspired by fragrance by this. Okay, for me, I have only smelled a perfume that attempted to smell like this, and that one was Buying Azra by Paris Corner, which I didn't like, by the way. It was smelling different. Of course, it had a little bit of accent to this, but I wouldn't consider that like a good dupe for this. So I have been looking forward to seeing another dupe house make a perfume that smells like this. Okay, so yeah, that is what we are going to be doing today. By the way, my nails, as I was preparing for this video, my nails popped up. So if you're seeing this, don't let it distract you. Okay, concentrate on me. Concentrate on what you are doing today. That's unboxing this to see if it smells like this. Okay, so let's unbox Highness by Gulf Orchid. This is what the bottle looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. Of course, they have a little bit of element of, the OG in terms of the color of the box, right? But for the bottle, this is what it looks like. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. Okay, I like it. It's giving expensive bottle. Is pretty. I like how the bottle is looking. So now let's test out Highness by Gulf Orchid and see if it's actually a dupe of Amouage Guidance. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, wait first. Let me tell you. One thing I noticed about this perfume is the fact that that burst of alcohol that we usually get when we, do that first spray, it's not there. I saw someone else say it, but I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it. But right now, that burst of alcohol is not there. And it smells like Amouage Guidance. It does smell like it. In fact, let me do side by side. Let me keep this one here. Let me do this one. Amouage here. 2 sprays because Amouage is very strong, right? And then let's do Highness here. The atomizer sprays out good. Oof. Okay, so 2 right? So that it's not too much. Oh, these people, they tried. They really tried. Of course, it's not 100% dupe, right? But this one is closer to the Amouage Guidance perfume than the Buying Azra by Paris Corner. So if you tried Buying Azra by Paris Corner and you think it's a good dupe, no, I have a better dupe. I have a better dupe. Highness by Gulf Orchid. Now, on skin, of course, they don't smell 100% alike, but in the air, they do smell alike. On skin, I would say Highness, comes off a little bit lighter, right? But so for me, I would say this Highness smells like 80% of this. Of course, this one is stronger, this one is more potent, this one is more concentrated than this. But in terms of scent profile, this is similar to this. So if you're looking for a dupe, I highly recommend this. If you're looking for a dupe of this, I highly recommend this. But if you have the money to pick up this, just pick it up. But if you don't have the coins, but you're looking for something that smells similar to this, Highness by Gulf Orchid. Yeah, I highly recommend this. Let me smell the dry down. Oh my god, this is good. This is good, and I'm sure it's still going to get better. I'm sure it's still going to get better as time goes on. If you don't already know what this smells like, Amouage Guidance has the notes of pear, hazelnut, olibanum, osmanthus, rose, saffron, jasmine, sambac at the middle, and sandalwood, vanilla, akigala wood, ambergris, and labdanum at the base. That's the note of Amouage Guidance, right? So I am just going to use this note to tell you about this. So this smells floral, smells fruity. It also has the base of vanilla, right? So this one, I would say, like, of course, like the Amouage perfume, it's not your regular fruity floral perfume. You have to like Amouage Guidance for you to like this, because this smells 75 to 80% to the Amouage Guidance perfume. I hope as this perfume begins to age, it will still be likable. That's my concern, because a lot of all these perfumes, when you open them at first, you like them, but as they begin to macerate, as you begin to give them time, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, you begin to dislike them. I hope this one will not be like that. But for Amouage Guidance, from the very beginning up until now, I have liked it and I have still liked it. Amouage Guidance is a very concentrated perfume that is bold, beautiful, compliment magnet. Everyone will smell you if you want to make a statement. Everyone will smell you if you're wearing Amouage Guidance, okay? So if Amouage Guidance is something you've been willing to try for some time, but you don't have the coins to do that yet, Highness by Gulf Orchid is one that you can actually use to start to see what Amouage Guidance smells like. Okay, I hope this video meets you well. I hope you're okay. Thank you for clicking on this one. Till I see you in my next video. My name is Gloria. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. Leave a like, leave a comment to let me know what you think about Highness by Gulf Orchid if you have tried it, and tell me if you'll be willing to try this. Okay, till I see you in my next video, keep living your best life. God loves you. Stay grounded always. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.